Alright folks. Industry and shin. Now my baby's waiting in though. Mick Flannery, fall boss and Acklam. Mick, I'm gonna do fall boss.
Neil Mick, fall boss.
Can't start it.
I'll go Huntuk.
I'm gonna do Buntana Voss and to honor brilliant. I'm gonna do Buntana Voss and Fela.
Tom, only Derek and Shaw.
Yeah, just Derek and Shaw. On what? Mick Flannery, you've just been named the happiest man in Irish music by Social and Personal magazine. How do you feel about that?
The ecstatic. I can't even describe. What? Something funny?
No, I've just actually got a weird ticking disease.
Yeah. Shop. Business. Show business.
Are you gonna sing us a happy song?
Yes. No.
You gonna sing us any songs?
I mumble a song.
I'm Mick Flannery Rouse. Peace out, Pop4. See ya. You're a sap. I'm joking. Mick Flannery is deadly. Sing the song.
I hit the bottle, baby. I lost some time. I did it all to get you off my mind. I gave the actor clean, dry as a bone. You beat the shakes, you break, pick up the phone. Just to win back my baby's heart, and to tell her I would never tie. Let it ride, yet you know it's wrong. Being the love that you know is gone. I'll be the rock that you worship on. You hit the road together, you walk the line. You try to make it like the good old times. But soon the fire started, went out of phase. I didn't wanna, but you made me say, baby, I didn't change, I'm still here, Lord. Let it ride, and you'll see. Oh, come on now, what went wrong? I told all here. I didn't mean, you know, I'm on nothing except to set you, my baby, free. Whatever kept you from leaving me? She says it isn't working, she's had her fill. Don't have it now, don't think we ever will. I don't begrudge you nothing, I wish you well. I wish you everything you wish yourself. Baby, I didn't change, I'm still here, Lord. Let it ride, and you'll see. Come on now, what went wrong? I told all here. I didn't mean, you know, I'm on nothing except to set you, my baby, free. Whatever kept you from leaving me?